What if everything we thought we knew about the universe was wrong? The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just taking pretty pictures. It's peering so far into the cosmos that it's catching galaxies born when the universe was just a few 100 million years old. Galaxies that shouldn't even exist according to our current models. Every new image is a paradox, forcing scientists to rethink how stars formed, how matter behaved, even how time itself unfolded after the Big Bang. Get ready, because what James Webb is seeing out there might be rewriting the story of creation itself. When NASA launched the James Webb Space Telescope in December 2021, it was more than just another mission. It was humanity's most ambitious window into the past. Its golden mirror, wider than a house, now floats 1 million miles from Earth, staring into the ancient darkness. There, it catches whispers of light that have traveled for over 13 billion years. Each photon is a message from the dawn of time, and Webb is the translator, decoding the origins of everything we are. Scientists expected to see chaos, small, dim, shapeless clouds of matter, just beginning to form stars. Instead, Webb revealed something astonishing. Enormous, mature galaxies shining brightly when the universe was less than 3% of its current age. It was as if the cosmos had learned to build cities before even laying the first bricks. The images sent shockwaves through the scientific world. Theories crumbled. Models of cosmic evolution had to be rewritten. Because these galaxies, massive, organized, impossibly early, simply shouldn't exist. Astronomers started calling them impossible galaxies. How could so much structure appear so quickly after the Big Bang? Some suggested that maybe the stars formed faster than we thought. Others proposed something more radical, that perhaps our understanding of gravity, dark matter, or cosmic expansion itself might be flawed. Webb's deep gaze has cracked open the door to a new kind of physics, one that might reshape the laws we believed were set in stone. But Webb isn't just revealing where galaxies came from. It's showing us how they came alive. Its infrared eyes can see through the cosmic fog, past dust and gas that once blinded other telescopes. In that unseen light, it's uncovering the skeletons of ancient star factories, glowing nurseries where the first suns were born. Some of these stars are massive, burning with the energy of 1 million suns before dying in brilliant supernovae that seeded the cosmos with the ingredients for life. Among those discoveries are lights that defy logic, galaxies that shine too bright, too soon. Their energy output breaks the models of how matter and radiation should behave. Something unseen, perhaps enormous black holes or exotic particles, may be fueling their brilliance. Every frame Webb captures seems to whisper a question. What if the universe has been playing by rules we've never even imagined? And it's not just galaxies. Webb is also peering into the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, scanning for the fingerprints of life, water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide. For the first time, we're not just looking at other worlds. We're analyzing their skies, their chemistry, their potential to host life. Somewhere out there, under a different sun, another civilization might be looking back. The most mind-bending part? Webb might be seeing light from the very first stars, the so-called population 3 stars. These are stars that contained no heavy elements, forged in the pure hydrogen and helium of the early universe. Until now, they were only theory. But Webb's precision has started to detect hints that these mythical first suns might have truly existed. Colossal, short-lived, and powerful enough to light up the cosmos for the first time. For decades, the story of the universe seemed simple. First came the Big Bang, then darkness, then stars, galaxies, life. But Webb's findings are rewriting that timeline. The early universe wasn't a quiet, slow beginning. It was a roaring storm of creation, where matter organized itself far faster than we thought possible. The first light may have pierced the void much sooner, reshaping everything that followed. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just showing us what's out there, it's revealing how little we actually know. With every new discovery, it reminds us that science is not about certainty, but about wonder. Each answer Webb gives us opens 10 new questions. Each image forces us to look deeper, not only into the cosmos, but into our own need to understand it. Because when we stare at those ancient galaxies, we're not just looking into the past, we're looking at the roots of existence itself, at the raw moments that made everything possible. The farther we look, the more we see ourselves reflected in that endless expanse. Humanity, just like the universe, is still evolving, still searching, still learning what it means to be alive. And maybe, just maybe, that's the greatest secret the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed, that in trying to understand the cosmos, we're really discovering who we are.